Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a very simple treatment for our scalp to enable it to produce new hair growth. And the first ingredient I'm going to be using is Greek yogurt. Unsweetened Greek yogurt. Always use unsweetened yogurt because sugar is a no-no if you want to keep yeast and flakes away from your hair, okay? And then the next ingredient you're going to use is honey. We already know how honey is full of moisture. It draws moisture from the air to your hair and has both antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that help prevent dandruff and soothe itchy scalp. And then the next ingredient you're going to use is lemon. And you guys already know how lemon deeply cleanses the scalp. So all of these ingredients put together are going to help remove dead skin cells from the scalp and allow the nutrients to reach the hair follicles. So if you want to know how to achieve that with these ingredients, then just carry on watching. Welcome back guys. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video proper. And guys, make sure that you try this treatment out because it might just be the answer to your hair problems, okay? This treatment is really good for your scalp and it will help it produce new hair growth like I stated earlier. So to begin, I'm going to need, first of all, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and I'm just going to scoop that and pour it into the bowl. Guys, you can adjust this measurement to suit your hair length and volume, okay? So first of all, yogurt is naturally high in healthy fats and proteins, which will leave your scalp and hair super shiny and loaded with maximum moisture. Yogurt is packed with several nutrients such as riboflavin and niacin, which help strengthen the hair strands from the roots, and the vitamin B12 that is found in yogurt supports hair growth and prevents dandruff. Yogurt softens the hair. Yogurt can be applied to the roots, rubbed on the skin, or spread on the hair strands depending on the hair problem you want to solve, okay? And then the protein found in yogurt helps strengthen the hair shaft, preventing split ends and hair damage. Yogurt contains lactic acid that helps to hydrate the hair so that after rinsing it, it helps clear away dead skin cells. Yogurt has medical and cosmetic effects on the follicles, scalp, and roots of your hair. And then the next ingredient is honey. So honey reduces frizz. Honey improves the condition of your hair. It softens the hair. It restores shine. It reduces hair breakage, and it moisturizes dry hair and scalp. So I just went in with just 1 tablespoon of honey, and that will be enough for this. But like I said, you can adjust the measurements based on your hair length and its volume, okay? So if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much for staying tuned, and I just want to remind you to please give me a thumbs up. It really does help my channel. Thank you. And then the next ingredient we're going to talk about is lemon. And lemon deeply cleanses the scalp and hair follicles. It restores healthy pH levels and removes buildup of products, oils, and pollutants. And most times we complain that our hair is not growing, or we're having trouble with our hair growth, our scalp is itchy, it has scales and all of that. And most times it is just because of too much product application, which leads to products buildup. And what lemon does is it cleanses the scalp and removes all those buildup of products and allows your hair to grow. And lemon has natural antifungal properties that help keep dandruff under control. Lemon contains antioxidants and nutrients that help grow hair from even dormant hair follicles. Lemon contains vitamin C, and this helps boost collagen production. Lemon contains many other nutrients that strengthen the hair follicles and encourage new hair growth. And that is what we are trying to achieve today, right? Okay, so I'm going to need 2 tablespoons of lemon into this mixture, and I'm just going to use my measuring spoon to measure it. And coincidentally, the lemon we squeezed was exactly 2 tablespoons, So you're just going to go ahead to mix this properly so that it doesn't have lumps. So make sure that you try this treatment out. This treatment is very good, and it is good for you to do this treatment at least once a month, even if you don't do it regularly, because most times we buy different hair products from the market that say it will help our hair grow, and then we just keep trying on different products from one product to the other, and at the end of the day all these products just end up sitting on our scalp and they block your hair cuticles, okay? And then it just makes your hair unable to come out. It makes new growth unable to shoot out. So this treatment is going to remove all those dead skin cells and allow your hair follicles to shine and allow nutrients to enter your hair follicles. So that is why you need this treatment. It is very, very important, so that it will allow your hair to grow beautifully. It will leave your scalp feeling really healthy, because all these products build up just leave your scalp really unhealthy, and it causes itchiness. It makes your hair dry. And this treatment right here helps to moisturize your scalp. This protein strengthens the hair shaft and it prevents split ends and hair damage. So guys, I'm going to add an oil into this. This oil is an oil I made. It's a hair growth oil I made from neem and papaya leaves. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you go check it out. I'll leave the link on the right corner of the screen or drop it in the description box. But if you have any other carrier oils, then feel free to use it. You can use coconut, you can use olive oil, you can use almond or whatever oil you have. But I just decided to use this because this oil is really super potent, and I just went in with about 1 tablespoon, and I'm just going to go ahead to mix that properly until it is well combined into our protein treatment. And then another thing is, apart from the fact that products build up is one of the problems we have with our scalp, humidity and pollution also makes your hair look lifeless, in case you didn't know. So this treatment is going to help you just give your hair some life, okay? And then another very important thing to note is unruly and dry hair can be very hard to manage. A lack of moisture causes dry hair, so it is very, very important to take special care by providing moisture to your dry hair and scalp. And when hair is well hydrated, it is very flexible, well defined, and feels softer. That is why you need this treatment in your hair, to make your hair really hydrated, to give your scalp a very good feel, to make it healthy and squeaky clean, so that your hair will be able to grow better. So guys, how you're going to use this is apply this mask on the roots and length of your hair and cover it with a shower cap. Allow this to rest for 30 minutes and then you can wash it off with water to get shiny and manageable hair. And then it's very important for you to use a very generous amount, because this thing is meant to cover your entire hair. That way you're able to see better results. And after you wash your hair with mild shampoo, it just leaves your hair really soft and you don't even need to use any hair conditioners, okay? So that is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys in my next video.